Question number 12. Solve the equation involving absolute value. So in this question we have the absolute value of 6 minus 5x minus 1, which is equal to 9. So the first thing we need to do is we need to isolate the absolute value. In order to do that, we're going to add 1 to both sides. So we end up getting the absolute value of 6 minus 5x, and that's going to equal 10. Now recall that the rule states that whenever you have the absolute value of an expression and it's equal to a constant, that means you get two equations. You have x, which is equal to negative c, or x is equal to positive c. So it's really important to make sure that you remember those definitions. So for this one, we're going to have two equations. The first equation is 6 minus 5x, which is equal to negative 10, or 6 minus 5x, which is equal to positive 10. And now we're going to solve both equations for x. So we're going to subtract 6 to both sides. We get negative 5x, which is equal to negative 16. And then divide both sides by negative 5. And therefore x is going to equal 16 over 5. On the right side, we're going to subtract 6 to both sides. We get negative 5x, and 10 minus 6 is positive 4. Divide both sides by negative 5, and therefore x is going to equal negative 4 fifths. So our two solutions are 16 fifths and negative 4 fifths.